Two. Okay, two. So wait, how do I do this? Ignore the background. I don't care. Anyways, oh god, no. How's this gonna work? How do we do this? Like this. Okay. Okay. Very good. That's very good. Ignore the background. Ignore the background. Anyways, let's try this. And I don't know how to do this. How do I do the cameras? Oh, wait, this. Ignore this. I don't know. This is gonna be hard because I'm watching my phone instead of the actual phone that I'm playing on. You know what? I'm doing this, okay? You can still see it, right? Night 1. Night 2 is tomorrow. I don't care what you say. I swear, night 2 is tomorrow. Mimi. I got jump scared by the puppet. I decided to make a video. I was already on night 3. But I restarted back. So, to entertain you, I guess. Night 2 will be tomorrow because, yeah, I don't care. I think Foxy's gone. Foxy is gone. I don't know why I'm this fast. I think it shouldn't be this fast. Okay, what? Okay, whatever. Hey, you. I don't want to get jump scared again. And then I just do this the whole time. I don't really watch the cameras though. I don't care. If you hear that sound effect, tell me because I guess you can't tell me because I'm making this video and you can't talk me to it because I'm big. Whatever. I'm sorry, I haven't posted in a long time. It's cool. That's why I'm sorry. That's because of school. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty hard to record because this is my brother's phone. He can install APKs, and I can't. But he hasn't got any recording stuff, so I have to record it from my phone. So I skip it. And I can't even edit it. That's how diabolical this is. I think it's about to be 6 a.m. already without any electronics. That's weird. I know Bonnie's gone. Oh. I guess some non-entertaining stuff about Five Nights at Freddy's is night 1. No, not night 2. No! No! Fine, okay? If I die, I end it there, okay? This is where the weird animatronics rushes and the toy animatronics just disappear. I know that Cole's gonna take us to like 6 a.m. or something. I know. Tell me the basics. Do not tell me what to do. My hand is pretty. I don't know why, but my hand is like cramped if I like do this. Like I'm getting constipated. It's because it's on mobile. If it's on computer, maybe I would maybe have a good chance. Do not you dare.
Doesn't she love me anymore? Did I do something wrong? I didn't do anything wrong, so I was a good cat.
Yes, it's the phone. My phone is on the chest. I might be wondering how, because wait. You might be wondering how. It's because if the videos are on your brother's phone, the phone where the Five Nights at Freddy's is, if you're recording it on your phone, how are you gonna, like, post it? Because my phone can't post too. It's because that I can send the video to this phone and then oh my gosh! That generally jump scared me. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye. I hope maybe tomorrow I come back again. Yeah. Bye.